Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to add social follow button in your WordPress website. I'll add my social follow button here. Let's go to WordPress, and first of all we will go to this sidebar and bring our cursor to appearance. Here we will click on widgets. After clicking on widgets, this interface will be open. Then you need to click on add block. Here I'll search group and then click on group. Then I'll select the layout. I'll select this layout. Then I'll click on add block, and here I'll click on headings and I'll type here connect with us. After clicking enter, I'll click on this plus icon, and here I'll search social and I'll click on social icons. Now I need to click on this plus icon again, and from here you can add your social media accounts. For example, I want to add my YouTube, and if you want to provide your YouTube email address, you will type it here. And if you want to add your Instagram too, click on this icon, select social icons, and then click on plus, then click on Instagram. You can add as many social media accounts you want. Once you add it, click on update, and my widgets are saved. I'll go to my website and refresh it. As you can see, the social follow button has been added to my WordPress website. This is how you can add your social follow button to your WordPress website. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.